Hello graphic creator, welcome back to my video, and this time I want to redesign my subscriber logo. And I'm using Adobe Illustrator, version 2018. And before we start, I use point size settings. And don't forget to activate smart guides, as well as snap to point. And don't forget to activate show the rules, to make work easier. Okay, let's get started. First, make a square. And I use square size 50 by 50 points. Make the square into fill color. And change the fill color to make it easier to see. Depends on what color to use. And I used a red fill color. Square transform using effect transform. Horizontal 50 points. And make 11 copies. And expand the square. Object, expand appearance. Repeat the transform. Vertical transform, 50 points. And make 12 copies. Again, and expand the square. Ungroup all objects. And reduce the opacity a little. Hold Alt and Shift to make a copy. Select square, and hold Shift to select multiple squares. Create a union square, and change the fill color to make it visible. Repeat process. Select two square. Right-click. And arrange, bring to the front. Double-click the object to select the isolation mode. And reduce the excess point path. Select corner object, using the point selection tool, and create a rounded object. And double-click to return to normal view mode. Repeat the same process, and I will speed up the process. Select the outer square, and don't forget to hold Shift to select multiple objects. Make union, release, and union again. Right-click, arrange, and send to back. Again, double-click the object, and remove the point path excess, using point path selection. Select another square, hold Alt and Shift to copy, and make a rectangle. Then rotation 319 degree. Select Pen tool, and create a fill object to cut. Select two objects, and cut using minus front. Make a ruler for guide. Horizontal and vertical. Select object and guide, and click, then select align top. Repeat the same process. Select another square, make a rectangle, right-click, arrange, bring to front, and select another object, then minus front, ungroup, and delete another object. Make the same color, and change a little path square. Delete line guide. Select two object, and make union. Select another object. Hold Shift and select again. Delete another square. Select square copy. Drag it to canvas. And select two line square, then union. Delete another object. Double-click the object to select the isolation mode, and reduce the excess point path. Repeat the same object for another rectangle. Add opacity. Then group it. And place the object on the empty center line of another object. Select object, release, then union, and select another object, make minus front, then add opacity. Select another object, add opacity. Then make a group, and change your color, fill what you want, and I use black and white color. Okay, thank you for watching.